Now, what is radiation? Well, first of all, radiation is the main cause of external fire spread, and it is electromagnetic heat transfer from one body to another. It travels in straight lines. It can travel through a vacuum. That's why it comes from the sun. Yeah, radiation from the sun. Fires caused by radiation through a glass window, because it can travel through glass, or are concentrated by a lens. So radiation is the heat you feel in a fire. When you stand at a fire and you go like that, oh, that's lovely heat. That is radiated heat coming from that fire. Did you know that the heat transfer from a heat is inversely proportional to the square of the distance? That's the intensive radiation, is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. What does that mean? If there's a fire over there and I'm 5 metres away and I'm getting 1 unit of radiated heat 5 metres away, what would it be if I went 1 metre away? Well, I'm 5 times closer. People say it's 5 times more intense. No, the intensive radiation now will be 25 times it. That's why distance is the critical thing to stop fire spreading due to radiation. The Great Fire of London was caused by fire spread due to radiation. The houses were too close together. You could nearly shake your neighbour's hand out the window. That's where the houses were too close together. The fire just jumped across the road due to radiation. After the Great Fire of London, they realised that buildings need a separation distance, and that's where boundary distances are put in now. You can't build buildings too close because of radiated heat, and that is the main cause of external fire spread, and that's why you should store skips well clear of buildings. Store buildings away from other heat sources. It's because of radiation and the inverse square law. And finally, you've got direct burning or direct flame impingement. Some people call it a measure of all three, but it's where the flame is directly impinging on the material. And it could be, you could argue, a mechanism for all the other three. So they are the ways: conduction, convection, radiation and direct burning.